Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix task queue is empty error on Outlier AI training jobs. So here if you are facing this type of interface on Outlier AI, then that means you are facing or experiencing an empty QA error in Outlier AI training jobs. It can be frustrating, especially when you're eager to start working. This issue typically arises when tasks aren't available for you to claim. Here's how you can address it. So the common reasons for an empty QA. Outlier AI assigns specific reason for an empty QA, which can help you understand the situation better. Some common reasons included, like no tasks. No tasks are currently available for the worker. Paused project. The project is paused, causing no task to be available. Qualification list failed. The worker does not meet the required qualifications. No permissions at review level. The worker lacks the necessary permissions at the required review level. Too many pending items review throttle. The worker has too many pending items under review, causing throttling. These reasons are often displayed in the system logs and can provide insights into why tasks aren't available. Now, here's step to resolve the empty QA issue. Refresh your browser. Sometimes simply refresh your browser can help. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes and try again, as tasks may become available during less busy period. Then check your enablement course. So ensure that you have completed the necessary enablement course and assignment. If you haven't, this is a prerequisite before you can start receiving tasks. Now the third thing is timing and availability. The availability of tasks can fluctuate based on the number of users online. You might want to log in during different times of the day when fewer people are online to increase your chances to receiving tasks. Then review your account status. Make sure that your account is in good standing. If you see notification like no active project, it could indicate issues that need to be resolved before you receive tasks. Engage with the community. Consider reaching out to the Outlier community via forums or social media groups. Other users may have insights or tips on how to secure tasks more effectively. Now, how long until tasks become available? The time it takes to receive tasks can vary based on several factors, including throttle limits. Some projects have throttle limits that restrict the number of tasks available at a given time. Then assignment or screen reviewing. If your assignments or screenings are under review, it can take up to 15 business days to be approved. Then account review. If your account is under review for suspicious activity, it can take up to 10 business days to resolve. It's essential to be patient and monitor your dashboard for update. Now here is the additional tips for you. Monitor your dashboard regularly. Keep an eye on your Outlier dashboard for any updates or changes in task availability. Avoid frequent inquiries. Repeatedly asking about task availability can be unhelpful and may not expedite the process. Be patient. Sometimes the best course of action is to wait. Task availability can fluctuate and patience is only key. So that's the all thing that about the this issue. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.